Move right in. Turnkey amazing 3-bedroom unit located in a great golf community. Enjoy this furnished home with vaulted ceilings, open kitchen concept, formal dining area and split floor plan. Relax on the screened patio enjoying the wooded private view, walk to the community pool, 1-car garage and tile throughout. Golf community with many amenities including a championship golf course, pool, sauna, tennis courts, exercise room, driving range, putting green, pro shop, clubhouse with fine dining, grill room and a very active social membership. Comcast cable TV with high definition and voice activation, high-speed internet, HBO, ESPN, much more. Centrally located with easy access to I-75, shopping, dining, short drive to Sarasota/Bradenton International Airport, Ringling Museum, and some of the most beautiful beaches southwestern Florida has to offer.